Well, hello and ho 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 to all you holly jollies and Ebenezers out there. This is Baker Claus coming at you with another hot holiday Chrome Music Lab tutorial. This is the second most streamed Christmas song of all time. It's called Last Christmas by Wham. Second to none other than Queen Mariah's All I Want for Christmas Is You. Let's hear this bad boy. Very cool song from Wham, George Michael. Very cool, very cool. We're going to build it from scratch. I'll show you a very simple version, which is just the melody, and then we'll build the rest underneath it. I'm going to go in weird order for this time. Go ahead and hit restart. We've got the blank canvas. We're ready to rock. You're going to change your settings first, this little gear icon. Go down here, change the length to 8 bars. And we're going to change range to 3 octaves. And that's it. We're going to change length to 8 bars, range to 3 octaves instead of 2. That's looking pretty good. Now we have all this stuff going for us. Let's put the tempo in, which is a fancy word that means the speed of the song. And this one's going to be 108. Slightly slower than 120. 108 beats per minute. You can drag the cursor, or I just like to double click it and type it in. Press enter. It'll jump to that tempo. We can mess with the sounds later on. I'll show you what sound choices I use later. But let's go ahead and put a simple drum beat, which is just your money beat number 1, baby. Boom, smack, all day. We're going to keep that going with circle skip, triangle skip the whole way through. Yeah, while I do that, a little shameless self-promotion here. Smash that like and subscribe button and all that good stuff the YouTube crew be saying. Keep me hip, y'all. Trying to give you these songs. Thanks for the requests. Keep them coming. Now, there's our drum part. Let's hear it. That's a hit. Ready to go. Very cool, very cool. The tempo is set, the drums are set. Now we're going to put in, like I said, the melody, which is the main part, the singing part. I'll spare you the singing for tonight. Allergies got my voice messed up. These Central Texas allergies, and I just sang karaoke tonight. Been having my karaoke gigs going well. Getting this bread. That's your first. There it is. That is the Last Christmas part, and then we got a teal at the end of that bar. So, orange, skip 2, orange, skip 1, red, skip 1, teal. Let's hear that. Now we have the Give you my heart. Yep. Let's hear that. Yeah, but the very next day. So, I didn't go over the spacing of this. You guys know what to do. No spacing in between these 4 notes, then 2 spaces, then the purple and red. I'll spare you on saying all the colors one by one. You guys can just pause it if you need to catch up. No worries, let's keep it rolling. We're going to put a purple at the end of this bar 3. You gave it away. What are we doing right there? We are doing this cool pyramid. That's gave it away. Look at that. Cool little pyramid shape. So at the beginning of the gray bar, which is bar 4, we have pink, red, pink, purple, with the purple underneath that to make that pyramid shape. That's that you gave it away. Now we're ready for this year to save me from tears, right? No, it starts with the yellow at the beginning of bar 5. Skip 2. Yeah. And then a purple at the end of that bar. So skip 3 after that orange. To save me from tears. There it is. Boom. There's the same kind of pyramid shape we saw earlier, but in a different color scheme. Let's go ahead and hear it to make sure it's right so far. Yeah, very cool. You'll give it to someone special, right? Something like that. I'll give it to something like that. There it is. I'll give it to someone special. So we got a red at the end of that gray bar, which is bar 6. Then bar 7, we got pink, red, pink, skip 1, red, skip 1, pink at the end of that bar. And then the show is this teal, which is at 1 space after the beginning of the gray bar, which is bar 8. Let's hear the whole melody. Sounds pretty good. That is pretty much the whole song. We're going to make it more intricate, though. That's just the melody, like I said, which is just the main part that everybody sings along to. We're going to add other layers, too. You can stop there if you want, but if you want to make it more intricate, let's get into it. So we're going to scroll down here and add a bass line, which is a low C note right here. We're going to drag that all the way across the first 2 bars. Let's hear it. Now we got a little cool bass line. Very cool. We're going to play a purple after that. All the way through that bar. And all the way through the gray bar, but not quite. We're going to do something at the end of that gray bar to get to the next section. Okay, so we have the purple going all the way across bar 3 and 4 until the last 2 gray is going to be that pink and red. Yes, and then that's going to get us to a D all the way across bars 5 and 6. Go ahead and pause it if you need to, guys. Excuse that. You're going to go all the way across. Quick drag. Now we got D all the way down, which is the bass line. Let's hear it so far and make sure it's all right. Let me double check. Very cool. Then we got to add the ending, which is just G all the way through until the beginning of bar 8. We're going to do this bar 8 walk up. Yeah. So teal, skip 1, purple, skip 1, pink, skip 1, orange. That should end our bass line. Let's hear that. That's the bass line. Now you can stop there. That sounds really cool as it is, but we can add some chords too. For those of you who want to make it completely intricate, the whole thing, we're going to make these chord stabs in line with these hits right here. So we're going to do this kind of skip 1, then do yellow, skip 1, teal, skip 1, pink on top of the red. Then leave 2 blank after that, and then do that same chord there. Then do that same thing at the beginning of these gray bars, sorry, right there. That's the spacing. Let's hear it. Yeah, again. Yep, now we're going to do more chords over the beginning of this section. Same rhythm, but we're just going to change the colors we use. We're going to use that EGB right there. Yellow, teal, pink. And then you're going to add the second chord. You're going to use these. Yes, do that again here. And we already have that one, pink. And then in line with this purple one, same chord right there. Let's hear that. Yep, very cool. Now we're ready for the chords in the next part, which look a little like this. Okay, we already got the E up top. So in line with that yellow, we're going to put a red underneath and a purple underneath. Like I said, this is moving pretty fast. So if you guys get stuck, don't worry. Just go ahead and pause it. Take as long as you need to catch up. Very cool. Same chord here. At the beginning of that gray bar. Remember, we're repeating these 2 chord segments. We already got that orange, so we need a purple and this green. All right, let's double check before we add the last two bars. Yeah, we're ready to add those chords too. Those look a little bit like this. A red, this kind of green, in line with that pink. Then same green in line with that pink one, but then this chord, which is a G major 7 chord. Yep, very cool. And do that same thing again at the beginning of the gray bars. And then, where is it? All right, boom. That should do it. We need the G down here to complete that chord. That's the whole G chord. Yeah, let's hear it. Yeah, very cool. That is all of Last Christmas by Wham, the second most streamed Christmas song of all time. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Spend time with loved ones, appreciate life, and thank you for all your requests and all your love and support. You guys are amazing. Like always, smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for tuning in. Keep them coming, and we'll see you in 2025, baby. Peace and love.